welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to continue the SQL session which we started in the previous two videos, and I'm going to show a bit more advanced commands which we often use on our daily basis to interact with the database. So first of all, I'm going to visualize the three tables which we created in the previous sessions. If you remember, they were clients, employees, and products. So the one thing which is different here is that I added two more rows of information. You can add them yourself. If you remember, the previous video is just like one command and you have to repeat it, but it is not necessary. I just added more rows because we are going to use some filtration commands, and it is going to be much more visually informative if we have a bit more information in the tables. So to begin with, let's start with the first command. I'm going to type in select name, comma, which means and email. So I want to select name and email from clients table. So I'm going to type in from where, from clients, semicolon, and I'm going to hit enter. And you will see that the system only returned the name column and the email column. So a lot of time it is not necessary to see the whole table, the whole set of data inside the tables. So what we do is we filter them down to see what we need to see. Let's manipulate the command. Let's change, for example, position from employees table. So I want to see the name and position in the employees table. And you can see the name column and the position column inside the employees table. You remember the third column was access, and I don't want to see that. So absolutely, I'm not going to see that. I specified I want to see the name and position column, and the system returned me name and position column. So let's just try one more variation. Let's just return one column of information. So I'm going to say select name from employees. Let it be like simple. Select, oops, I erased the name from employees. So I just have the column of names here. And similarly, I can do the same for products. Or you can try different combination. You can also try name, comma, price from products. You will get the name and the price of the product. So this is one way to filter down data. Our data set is, of course, like a bit minimal, but in professional environments, there are a lot of columns of data, and all the time you don't have to see all the columns, so you just filter them down. So let's try one more interesting command. Select from products. I specified that I want to select from products. Now I'm going to put a condition where price, let's say, is greater than 10, semicolon, and I'm going to hit enter. So by the way, it's not necessary to use prices greater than 10. You can also use prices equal to 10, prices smaller than 5, whatever. So here you see that 3 products appeared where the price is greater than 10. So there is another interesting, let's just try to change the price to 8. Still nothing appeared because I think the cheapest product was the Hot Wheels. Yeah. So I changed the price to 2, and you can see that now the Hot Wheel appeared as well because its price is greater than 2, which is 5.50. So this was one interesting way. I can also try equal where price is equal to 5.50 and only the Hot Wheel is going to show up. But that's not necessary. Let's try another interesting command. Select from employee. I think it was employees. Yeah, I'm sure about that. So select from employees, where I'm going to put a condition because I don't want to see the full table. Name is equal to David, semicolon, and I'm going to hit enter. So it only showed me the row with the name David. In professional environment, this is also very useful command because let's say I know that there is a user named David and he forgot his access. So I don't have to just go in the data set and see every row. I'm just going to type in where name is equal to David, and the return results are going to be narrowed down to what I'm looking for. Similarly, we can combine the commands as well. For example, let's try another thing. select from products ordered by price, and I can say ascending ASC semicolon and hit enter. So I said I want to see product where price is in ascending order. So I can just hit enter, and you can see the price is in ascending order. It starts from 5.50, it goes to 12, then 29, then 45. Similarly, of course, you can use the descending order as well. Just replace ASC with DESC. And now the price is in descending order. It starts from 45, it goes to 29.99, 12.59, and 5.50. So if you know the logic of the command, you can manipulate in different ways, and you can make the system return you results in much more specified and narrowed down ways according to your requirements. And similarly, we can also combine the commands. For example, let's try one interesting combination. Select from, or select name, let it be general. Select name and price from, of course, from products, because that's where we have price. From products where a price is greater than 5. So we already tried this combination before as well, but I'm going to show you the combination. So let's just put the combination in the next command. Where price is greater than 5, order by price in descending order, so DESC. So what I said, I want to see the name and price column in products table where price is greater than 5 and it is ordered in descending order. So the price goes from higher to lower. You can see the 45 is first, then 29, then 12, then 5.50. So I think that's all for this video. I hoped you liked the video. And by the way, I always encourage you to try the combination of commands yourself. We created 3 tables, you should create 20. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe.